I got these compression socks for my sister, who spends long hours on her feet at work. She's always talking about the strain and the soreness she feels by the end of the day, and I wanted to find something that could help alleviate that while still being fun and stylish. And these socks turned out to be exactly what she's gonna need. So the compression support is gonna provide just the right amount of snugness to promote circulation and reduce the fatigue, making them perfect for her for long shifts or even just casual use. I know she's going to absolutely love these vibrant colors and playful designs. I mean, they're going to add personality to her outfits while giving her the relief that her legs need. These socks are actually pretty easy to put on. They slide on without too much effort, and they're actually staying in place right below the knee. I'm confident they'll make her long hours on her feet much more manageable, and she'll love the stylish touch they bring to her wardrobe.